The abuse of alcohol in black communities has reached a level where now even underage children publicly enjoy alcohol and they abuse it. The communities have also become numb to that reality, and it is clear that we are not willing to change this current situation that we face. Alcohol is a problem. If you look at our communities, we have more beer gardens and shipins than libraries and economic zones. The government is not planning to do anything about that. Instead, the government is making sure that our communities become dens of alcohol. What is the future for us, African people? We need to